This is the performance optimizer for WordPress plugin. I have built it for our own needs, so I never try to the third party plugin. So I am using the my own plugin. So checking the max speed applied and say page present. I have applied the max speed. So in the checking speed, we can test it our local how much speed is present. 99% showing. So go to our page speed, the Google page speed checker. You can check it and showing it here 99% in the desktop and 87% in the mobile. Also showing in the here the GTmetrix. So here is showing 98%, both of them, and also showing it the pingdom. Pingdom is showing 84%. Page size is and load time this and request is this. This is the our e-commerce website. Also check the how much item is our here. There is more than 100, sorry, 1200 item at present in our store. So all are showing it here. So if you put the view on item, you can check it. So this is the item in at present system, and you fire the product and check how much the speed. And also click it and showing it within the other under 1 second. So this is the final review for our the WordPress plugin, the performance optimizer.